Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best building blocks set for toddlers, the Mega Bloks First Builder's Big Building Bag with 80 colorful pieces. If you're a parent, a gift giver, or just someone curious about high-quality toddler toys, stick around for this 5-minute deep dive into why this toy set stands out. Let's begin with what's in the bag. This Mega Bloks set includes 80 large-sized building blocks in a vibrant blue storage bag. The blocks come in 10 different shapes and 9 different colors, giving toddlers endless possibilities for building, stacking, and learning. The size of each block is perfect for small hands, big enough to handle easily and too large to be a choking hazard. What makes this set truly shine is how it balances fun and education. These blocks are not just colorful and stackable, they're designed to promote early developmental skills. As your child stacks and connects each piece, they're engaging their fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. But beyond the physical aspect, there's also a huge boost to creativity and imagination. Kids can build towers, animals, houses, anything they dream up. Another great feature is compatibility. These Mega Bloks First Builder's blocks are designed to work with other major brands in the same category. So if you already have similar toys at home, you don't need to worry about starting from scratch. They'll fit right into your child's growing collection. The packaging is also parent-friendly. The included blue bag isn't just for show, it's a sturdy, zippered storage solution that helps keep cleanup easy and tidy. You'll appreciate this especially when you're trying to avoid stepping on blocks scattered across the floor. And speaking of durability, these blocks are made from high-quality plastic that's built to last through years of stacking, throwing, and chewing. They're ideal for both indoor and outdoor play, and they can easily be cleaned if needed. Now let's talk age group. This set is specially designed for preschoolers aged 1 and above. It's safe, intuitive, and aligns with toddler development milestones. If you're looking for a screen-free, imagination-driven activity that kids will return to over and over again, this is a winner. And let's not forget value. This set is often available at a discounted price compared to its original list price of $24.99. At the time of this recording, it's priced around $17.24, which makes it an affordable and thoughtful gift option. Keep in mind there may be international shipping fees if you're outside the US, but the product itself ships from and is sold by Amazon.com, ensuring reliable delivery and return policies. So, to wrap things up, the Mega Bloks First Builder's Big Building Bag is more than just a toy. It's an educational tool, a creativity booster, and a trusted staple in toddler development. Whether you're building the tallest tower in the living room or sorting by color and shape, this set encourages curiosity, learning, and joy in every block. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with anyone who might be on the lookout for the perfect toddler toy. See you in the next video.